Hello and welcome to the Money and Power Club. I'm your man K Rizza, Cashmere Rich, coming to you live and direct out of Chicago. I'm going to be breaking down our membership earning program. Now, this is something that's super simple that anyone can do. If you have a desire to see yourself making $5, $6, $7, even $10,000 per month, this will help you to do it. How many people know 5 other people, just 5 people, that would love to be making $5,000 to $10,000 each and every month? Well, this is where you'll be able to bring your people and introduce them to this great club that we have, which is the Money and Power Club, and they will be able to achieve that goal. Let's dive right in so I can show you this compensation plan and our 4-week success strategy. It's a simple 4-week success strategy. All you got to do is follow this strategy and you will be successful. Once you follow the strategy once, turn around and duplicate those efforts and do it month after month after month. That will bring you in $5,500 every month. Let's look at the strategy. Week number 1, the only thing that you want to do is register. You don't have to worry about bringing anybody in or talking. Well, you want to talk to them, but you don't have to worry about getting them signed up. We want to get you signed up so you can take possession of your silver package. Your silver package is $100. We have 3 packages available: the silver, the gold, and of course our premium platinum package. The silver package is $100, gold package $250. Our platinum package is, of course, $1,000. Now, when you first come in, you're going to take possession of your silver package for $100 with a one-time $10 administrative fee. So that's $110 for you to come in. In that first week, you're not going to make anything on the referral bonuses. You're not going to make anything on the membership upgrade. And you're not going to make anything in commissions because it's your first weekend. Now, in your second week, this is when the power kicks in. You want to bring in your 5 people. When you bring in your 5 people, of course, you're going to sell to them your silver package membership for $100. When you multiply that 100 times the 5 people, that gives you $500. From the $500, you're going to upgrade into your gold package, right? Which is your gold package, $250. When you do this, you're going to have $250 of spendable money left over. You came in for $110, you're already at $250. You profited, guys. See how simple that was? Now, in your third week, what you want to do is you want to work with your team, the 5 that you brought in, and help them to get their 5. Because remember, their first weekend was your second week. So all they did was came in. They didn't recruit anybody or nothing. So what you're going to do is help them in their third week, work with your team, help them to get their 5 people. When they have their 5 people, you're going to sell the gold package at this particular point. Because remember, you bought the gold package. Now they're going to buy the gold package. That's $250. When you collect your $250 times the 5 people, that's going to be $1,250 that you're going to receive into your account. From that $1,250, you're going to take $1,000 of that and upgrade it to your final package, which is our premium platinum package for $1,000. When you do that, that's going to leave another $250 of spendable money. Look at that. You've already done $500 from simply working with 5 people. How easy is this, guys? This is super simple. Okay, when your team duplicates your efforts, because duplication is always the key, you're going to work with their team. Remember, they brought in 5. Now, all of you guys are going to work with that 5 to help them to get their 5 members in. So at this particular point, it's going to be another package sold by you to your members because they're going to be collected their $1,250. They're going to each purchase from you the platinum package for $1,000. Time that multiplication, that's $5,000, guys. Now, because you've purchased all of your packages, the silver, the gold, and the platinum, you have nothing else to purchase, nothing else to invest. So now at this time, you get to keep your $5,000. When you add up those 3 days, those 3-week totals, that gives you $5,500, guys. That is amazing. Look at what you did. You brought in 5 people. Just a quick recap. You brought in 5 people. You helped those 5 people get their 5 people. Then you helped that 5 people get their 5. Imagine that, man. That is super simple. Super simple stuff, guys. They gave you a total of $5,500. Real simple to do, man. It's not a hard program. There's nothing hard about the system. We are a membership earning community. We have nothing to buy, really, nothing to sell but our packages. Within our packages, we have great training in our silver package, gold package, and exclusive training in our premium package. So that means that you have a great product as well as a way to make great money by helping others. 5 people per month will net you $5,500. That means if you go out and grab a couple of people per week, you're going to have that 5 people in your downline. So this is something that's super simple. So right now, I want to welcome you guys to the Money and Power Membership Earning Program and the Money and Power Club. Look forward to working with you on the inside. Take care.